So just taking a quick look at VECHAIN here on the daily time frame in this local area. I'm going to keep this video very short and sweet because we haven't had that much happening over the past few days for VECHAIN here. Really, we've just seen ourselves come back down into that Fibonacci level as I predicted last week. Obviously had a little bit of a rally off that level and now just coming back and retracing again. Really just putting in a little bit of a range in this local area on the hourly time frame. You can see really we're just kind of putting in a little bit of a range like this and going sideways. I think after that Bitcoin ETF got approved, obviously we had quite a significant amount of volume and volatility, but since then we've had quite a decent bit of a lull in the market. I think people are just trying to come to terms with what's about to happen next, and obviously as a result of that we have seen very limited volatility for most cryptos because of Bitcoin's lack of movement. You can see here on the Bitcoin chart quite clearly, obviously we had that move up to around 49k here and then a drop down back into the support level at around 41k. And then beyond that, you can see it's quite clear that basically VECHAIN has just essentially emulated the price action of Bitcoin as it does in bear markets. We haven't decoupled yet by any means because we're not even in the bull market technically yet anyway, or at least what everyone is predicting to be the bull market with the next halving. But you can see here VECHAIN really it's just come up into this area here of, you know, we've basically got that breakout and then we've come down and we've come back inside the range to backtest that Fibonacci level. So in my opinion, things looking completely fine for some more upside once we see more Bitcoin movement, but obviously Bitcoin leading the market right now, and if we do see a bit of a retracement, we could see VECHAIN also coming down and having a retracement as well, but I'm not concerned at all. This chart is gearing up in the macro, looking very tasty indeed. I'm really excited for this year. I can't wait to see what happens next. I really hope that everyone does well, and let's see what happens, shall we?